Hi guys, Erica here. Today we're gonna go ahead and go over how to create a free link tree. So, what exactly is a link tree? So, as you can go ahead and see, a link tree is pretty much several links where you can go ahead and add them in one area. So, for example, you can put so many platforms under one link. In my case, for let's just say I have like my Disney quote. Since you guys can see, my niche is Disney. So I can go ahead and put also, for example, my personal website, my Facebook page, my Viator link, my sandals, quotes, general quotes, anything like that, guys. As you can go ahead and see, that's what you can go ahead and do as well. Now, I usually recommend 100% a link tree to go ahead and be able to do all this stuff, as well as adding your social media to this. You can do your Gmail, you can do your YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, besides the fact that you can also put them as links. All right, guys. Now, Linktree is for free, guys. Yes, you can go ahead and get this for free. And today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and go about to do this. All right. So first off, let's go ahead and make sure that we what you look for, right? We're going to go ahead and just look into Linktree. All right. And it's going to go ahead and look like this. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and go to sign up for free right here in the corner. Now, once you go ahead and click that, whoop, I was ready. I'm going to sign up really quick. All right. Sign up for free. Now here where it says Linktree, this is where you're gonna try to put either your business name, anything that you want to go ahead and do, and that's how they're gonna go ahead and find you guys. All right. So and it'll let you know if it has been used. For example, if I try doing that, you see it says it's already taken. So let's try my name, Erica. So you're gonna have to go ahead and try several of these out if you can't find your business, right? So I don't really recommend putting maybe your name on there, but last resort, I would go ahead and put maybe like your first name. And if you put your last name and it still says that it's not available, maybe add an initial in there. All right. Reason it's not coming up is this one is also mine. All right. So you can go ahead and do that. But personally, try to add your business. All right. Try to add your business name on here. Because again, you want everything to go ahead and go back to your business page. All right. From there, you're gonna put the email. And then you're gonna go ahead create. It'll send you an email to go ahead and confirm the email. And then when you're gonna go ahead and log in, that same thing you just saw right now, you're going to go ahead and place your username, which would be, for example, mine is Erica for Travel, and your password that you just created, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and log in. This does not take that long, guys. You can do your link tree within maybe 10 minutes, maybe less. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and break a lot of this stuff down so you guys can understand and decide if you guys want to go ahead and proceed with some of this, take some of it, add some of it, whatever you guys want to go ahead and do. All right. So you guys are just going to see blanks right here. You're not going to have anything of this because, of course, you just started. Now, what you can go ahead and do is you're going to automatically go to add new link. Okay, now depending on your site, for example, let's just say we're going to do your travel page, right? In this case, this is my travel page. So if you already have your travel page set up, meaning your information, like your little bio, a picture, your information, then, you know, it's set up already. So we want to make sure that you copy and paste this. Copy. Where it says URL, that's where you're going to go ahead and add the link. And then here you can put, you want to make sure you don't put evolution anywhere, okay, guys? You're going to put, let's see, website, something like that. Okay. Now, Once you go ahead and see it, you can see that it automatically adds it. So as you guys are adding links or putting pictures or images, you're going to be able to see the examples right here as you're going. So it's pretty cool. And plus it saves automatically, so you really don't have to save anything as you're going. All right. So we're going to go ahead and, for example, do that. Now, as you can see, you have two choices. You can either add a little thumbnail. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the thumbnail looks like. Or you can just leave it alone and not add one. It's up to you guys personally. I add a thumbnail. So to add a thumbnail, sorry about that. You want to go ahead and go right here to this little landscaping image. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to set a thumbnail. You're going to upload your own thumbnail, and it's going to take you to your computer to be able to download. So in my case, I'm just going to put whatever image on there. So let's just go ahead and put this one. This is just my little example. You're able to kind of adjust it to as big or small as you guys want. So let's just say I want to do this. All right, we're going to save it, upload. And as you can see, I can see it here and I can see it there. All right. And then that's it. Just exit out. So I can go ahead and make it smaller and then just continue with the rest. You're going to add a link. Let's just say you want to put your Facebook, right? So in my case, I already know my Facebook. For my business page, remember, we want to do our business page. Okay, so you can go ahead and put here Facebook business page. Oop, I misspelled business. Now, like I had said, we want to make sure that all your links before you do the Linktree, you have them already. Okay, guys? Now, if they're under construction, for example, that's perfectly fine. You can still add them, but you can go ahead and hide them. Okay, for example, let's just say I want to hide my website for now because it's not completed, or I want to add something. What you can go ahead and do is you can still be able to add the information in, and you see right here how it has it in green. If you click on it, it would go ahead and disappear. You see, it's still there, but you're not able to see it publicly. It's just private, as in just for you. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and have them be able to see that. Okay. Now on the title, you guys can name it and whatever you guys are interested in adding to it. If you guys have other sites, for example, Viator, if you have your own affiliate with Disney, anything like that, guys, you are able to add it with this. Okay. Now let's just say I don't need this. Okay. Instead of just hiding it and just being there, what you can do is we can go ahead and delete it. Just clicking right here, delete. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And that's pretty much it. All right. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and delete and delete. And as you can see again, it changes. All right. Now let's just say I have several on here, right? But I want to go ahead and have my Viator in front of my Facebook. All right. Or my sandals in front of here. So let's just say this is not organized how I want it. You guys are able to go ahead and move them around. How? Guys, don't break your head and be like, okay, this one's going to be my first 1 second. No, just put all of them in there. And then right here where you see these little dots, you see how it turned into a little hand? So it's an arrow and then it turns into a little hand. What you can do is you're going to press down the left on your mouse and you can go ahead and scroll it. You see how it grabs it? And then you're able to go ahead and adjust it. Now again, you're going to go ahead and see on here that it's going to go ahead and move. You see? So you can adjust it as much as you guys want to go ahead and do. And let's just be like, oh, no, never mind. I want my site there, this here. And again, like I said, you're able to go ahead and adjust it to your liking and adding whatever links you want to go ahead and add on there. All right. The cool part about this as well is it tells you how many people have clicked into that link, which is pretty cool because like that you can see where you're getting a lot of your traffic from as well. All right. Now, after that, we can go ahead and go to appearance. On here, that's where you're going to go ahead and click your image. You want an image that is kind of a close-up to you. If you have a certain niche or you want to go ahead and add like a logo, you can go ahead and do that. All right. If you don't have your own logo, or if you don't want to put your logo and you want to put maybe a picture of yourself, like I said, make sure you go ahead and put maybe a selfie, a close-up of you, so like that you're able to go ahead and see you. All right. You're going to pick an image. You're going to click on here, same way, upload an image. It's going to take you to your computer pictures and you get to choose your picture. All right. Now, profile title. Here, guys, you're able to go ahead and use, you can either put your name on here, travel agent, travel advisor, Disney specialist, whatever you guys want to go ahead and do. This goes under your picture. Okay, so in my case, if I want to actually just put my name on here, I can go ahead and do that as well. And you're going to see the changes being made as you're going. All right, so you can either put your name, you can go ahead and put your title, whatever you guys want to go ahead and do, you're more than welcome to. All right, now on your bio, please remember that you only have 80 characteristics that you're able to use. This is including and counting any spacing. Okay, yes, spacing does count. So for example, as you can see right now, there's 80. If I add a space, it goes up by 1. Another space, you see? So the spaces do count towards this, guys. Okay, so be very, very careful. You're not able to write a whole biography of yourself. So something simple can go ahead and do, and something that describes you as well. Okay. Now, as you can see, you guys are able to add emojis as well. All right. As you can see right here, I have them on here. How do you add these? I add this through my Facebook. Okay. So if I actually go into my Facebook and I decide to add this, I kind of just pull up what right here, maybe right there, what's on your mind. And I'll just be like, I don't know, what the exact same thing right here that I just put. For example, I don't know, dog mom, right? And then if I go in here, I can go ahead and just look for the emojis I want to go ahead and do. So let's just say I find a paw in here, right? Let's just put a dog. All right. And whatever we want to go ahead and do, and let's just say Disney, right? And then I put what else? Travel. I can look for an airplane. So you guys get what I'm talking about, right? So I'm going to look for, I don't know, something on here. Let's do, where's my planes here? Plane. So anything like that, right? Now, let's just say this is what we're going to go ahead and do, right? I don't want to go into, all right. So you're going to copy this, copy, come back here and paste. You see, now you're able to go ahead and see that. All right, so that's how you do that, guys. But as you can see, of course, you're not going to see it on here because it's surpassing my 100, my 80 on here. But that's how you're able to use the emojis by using Facebook. All right, so let me go ahead and delete this. There we go. All right. If we go ahead and scroll down, you can go ahead and take that off. You're going to see themes. Okay, so don't worry, these mean that you just need to pay, but of course we are getting this for free. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see different themes going on, all right? And you don't see them being locked. So on here, you can go ahead and decide which you want to go ahead and use. Okay, what you personally want to go ahead and do. If black stands out a little bit better, looks more professional, whatever you guys want to go ahead and use, you're more then welcome to go ahead and start exploring these. Now, like I said, as you are changing these, you're able to see the changes. Now, some of these guys, if you change the color, as you can see, the text changes too. So just an FYI, if you don't like the texting, for example, this is more of a typewriting. I would suggest looking for another color. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and go back to black. Okay. Now go ahead and scroll down. Again, this stuff right here, we don't want to go ahead and pay. So you don't have to worry about any of that. The buttons, if you guys decide to go ahead and change the way they look, again, just be careful because some of these do not go with the theme. As you saw, when I changed it, it changed my color as well. So don't be freaked out, guys, all right? Just make sure. Fonts, you're able to go ahead and make those changes as well. So you have several fonts you guys are able to choose from. And the color as well. If you guys decide to change that. But for now, I just don't want to. All right. So far we have that. All right. Now, you guys see how I have these right here? Let's add those. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll up. We are going to go ahead and go under settings. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down. And you're going to see social icons. All right. Now on your social icons, that's where you're able to add any icons as you want. All right. As you can see, these are mine that I want to go ahead and do. Now you're able to go ahead and still use the icons and also put in your links. Okay. Because some people don't look at your icons or vice versa. Okay. So a lot of people know like the logo of TikTok, Facebook, Gmail, right? So we can do the exactly same thing. So if you click on to add to icons, you'll be able to see what icons are available. Okay, all you have to do is just kind of click on there and it'll ask you for the URL. Okay, so you're going to do this to any of the social medias you want to go ahead and use as well, guys. All right. So again, you're more than welcome to go ahead and explore and add any of them that you wish to go ahead and do. All right. Once you do that, you're able to go ahead and position either by having it on the top or on the bottom. Having it on the top would be just like you see it right here. If you add it to the bottom, it's going to move completely to the bottom. You see it disappeared. And if I scroll down, you see it down there. So it's kind of your personal preference, how you guys want to go ahead and be able to show this information. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it to my top. Because again, I have my email in there. So if they want to go ahead and email me, perfectly fine. If you guys just only want to add your email and not have these and put these as links, perfectly fine. So again, this is up to your liking, guys, okay? Now, once you're done, you're able again to see how it looks. You have the opportunity to share it right here. Okay, here's your link tree. You guys are also able to get a free QR code automatically on here. There you go. Okay, you're able to go ahead and download it as well. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys out. Again, I really recommend using your Linktree, and this will help you as well to go ahead and not only be able to put everything in one location, because let's just say your client wants to go ahead and see your website, but then they end up finding, oh, let me go ahead and look for this, or maybe they want to become an agent, or maybe they're trying to fill the credit card authorization form. Whatever it is, all you have to guys do is just with one link, and it gives them all the information they need. All right, guys, again, thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your mentor, your gold or your platinums. And again, we are here to help you in your success. You guys have a great rest of your day.